Hey guys, what's happening? How to send Solana to Coinbase Wallet. So go ahead and open up the platform you are using in order to send Solana. So I'm going to confirm via facial recognition, right? And be aware, or please generate an address beforehand so you can send the wallet or send the address through that wallet, okay? Or send the address to that wallet, excuse me. So I'm going to choose Solana, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit send, okay? And basically I'm gonna enter the amount, which is 5 Solana, right? Or let's say 43, okay? Or 50, let's say, okay? And then hit continue and add the address basically, okay? So let's say for example, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna hit continue and add the address, all right? And basically you're gonna be able to send the Solana to Coinbase after generating the address from, you know, after generating the address from Coinbase, and you're gonna be able to add it to Kraken or any other platform for that matter, and send Solana to the Coinbase wallet. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.